Hey, I'm the owner of Quanta Collection. I've been dealing with TedHair for over a year, and I honestly like the product. No complaints. It colors well, it straightens well, curls well. It's just good, y'all. Get it. Hey y'all, so I'm Tia from Quanta Collection. I just come to y'all to let y'all know that I'm a loyal client of TedHair vendor. I'm located in New Orleans, so it's located here in Metairie. If you know, you know. So I just wanted to show y'all that they have upgraded bundles and closures. I have two different links for y'all. I have one that is a 12-inch and then one that is 18-inch, and then I have a 14 closure just to show y'all. Here is the 12. You see, super bouncy. All of the textures are body wave. That's our most common texture, especially for the. Hey y'all, I'm the owner of Quanta Collections. I have been partnered with TedHair for over almost 2 years now. These are the inches that I'm going to demonstrate for y'all today. This is a 10-inch, this is 18, and then I also have a 14 5x5 closure. Let me just demonstrate real quick. Look at that, super cute. I'm going to use this hair to make a wig. I'll show y'all a little bit after. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the hair. So typically what I use is, I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all, but y'all get it. Okay, so this is what I use. This one goes up to 9 levels, and I use a 30 volume. The texture that I have is body wave. I got my bowl, my brush, my color, and my developer.
Let us see how could I color the hair.
So these are the things that I'll be using to color. Usually I would use the same brand of things, but when I run out, then I'll just go ahead and use this. It still works the same, still lifts really beautifully. And when I add the 2 cups of the powder, then I just add more developer. So I only blow dried it just a little so you can see like certain tones, so the darker pieces is still like the wet pieces. But I chose to lift it to at least a 27 because this is going to be red.